Hi everyone, now we are going to be looking at the Access Scholarship essay. Last week we had created a detailed video on various CFA scholarship options, but then I mentioned that I want to talk about how to write your essay for the Access Scholarship. So when we are writing an essay for the Access Scholarship, now usually there's a word limit, typically it's 250 words, so keep that in mind. So at FinTrainers, a lot of our students who had applied for the CFA Institute Scholarship had gotten the scholarship. So we had some experience looking at the essays that qualified for a CFA scholarship, the Access Scholarship, and we have gathered some common themes that we can use as we think about our future candidates. So we'll keep this brief. I just want you to write 4 or 5 sections depending on your background. The first one is a catchy introduction. You talk about what you have done. Maybe you're pursuing MBA or you're pursuing BCom. You are a gold medalist in your college. Mention that. And then if you have some achievements, either academic or work-wise, elaborate on this one, academic and professional endeavors. See, like in this essay that we have written, we are talking about you have graduated from this university and then I did an internship, and then maybe you can talk about any achievements that are related to the financial markets. This will be your second paragraph. The third point that we have to think about is the CFA program alignment. Why are you pursuing the CFA program? Why do you want to earn the CFA charter? So you have to talk about your interest and how the CFA program and the curriculum aligns with that. This would be your third one. And the fourth one, you can talk about your needs, right? This is a financial need-based scholarship. So you can talk about your financial situation. Maybe you are not staying with your parents, you are staying in a different place, in a hostel or PG, and you're trying to pursue this along with a part-time job or a full-time job, or you're studying in college, you don't have the means to pursue your CFA dream, or you had a issue in your family where you're not able to currently pay for the CFA fees. So that would be your fourth one. And the last one, you have to talk about maybe some impact creating what you have done in terms of not just the academic side, but any impact you have created in the financial community or the community at large. You can talk about volunteering activity or things that you have published in the financial space that will help the broader population. And finally, talk about kind of a summary, a scholarship for aspirational growth. That's what we say here, how this scholarship is going to enable you achieve your potential. Hopefully that's helpful, and go back and revisit this essay. Use it as a template. Obviously, you have to change it and customize it to fit your personal story. All the very best in your scholarship application.